Before we start, let me give you the answers for the assignment given in the previous session. Check your answers as I read it. First main, answer the following. What kind of a person was Kamala Bai? Answer. Kamala Bai was a selfless person who always shared her meals with Ramesh. Second question. How did Shamarao help Ramesh? Answer. Shamarao and his wife would not let Ramesh go hungry and treated him as their own son. Shamarao helped him by lending money from his pension for depositing his college fees. Question 3. Why did Ramesh's friends call him the couple's man Friday? Answer. Ramesh helped the old couple by doing small jobs like going to post office, buying fruits and vegetables, watering plants and pumping the water out of the tank. So his friends called him the couple's man Friday. Second main, write the opposites of remember, forget, friend, enemy, back, front. Third main, underline the verbs and circle the nouns in the sentences below. First one, the boy closed the book. Here, closed is the verb, boy and book are nouns. Second one, the dog drank water. Here, drank is the verb, dog and water are nouns. Third one, babies cry a lot. Here, cry is the verb and babies is the noun. Fourth one, the clown sang songs. Here, sang is the verb, clown and songs are nouns. Now we move on to the lesson, The Grateful Tenant. I hope you remember what we learnt in the previous session. Ramesh stayed as a tenant in an elderly couple's outhouse in Dharwad for 6 years during his college days. The elderly couple were Shamarao and his wife Kamalabai. Shamarao was a retired postmaster and his father's friend. Kamalabai was a selfless lady. They treated Ramesh like their own son and helped him a lot. Ramesh also helped them with small jobs like going to post office, buying fruits and vegetables, watering the plants and pumping the water out of the tank. So his friends called him the couple's man Friday. Now let us learn the meanings of a few words from today's lesson. First one, original means first version of something. Keep a photocopy of this letter and post the original. Second one, suggestion means to give an idea or plan. You can put forward your suggestion at the meeting. Third one, gratitude means the quality of being thankful. I extend gratitude to my parents for their love and support. Fourth one, reaffirm means prove again. Teachers reaffirm their commitment to the pupils and school. Let's continue the lesson. I will read the paragraph. You listen carefully. I don't agree with that, said Ramesh. Think of the old couple. They were not well off, but they went out of their way to help me. Without their help, I do not know where I would have been today. But why did you name the house after them? I went back to my original question. It was my father's suggestion. He said there are some people who do things out of affection and not just out of duty, and they change your life with love and generosity. Even my children should know their origins of my success. I also want them to understand the gratitude I feel towards Shamarao and Kamalabai, not through mere words but through actions. It is people like Ramesh who reaffirm our faith in humanity. So, in the last session, we had learned that Ramesh's friend told him that they all called him the couple's Man Friday. But Ramesh says he doesn't agree with that. So he says, think of the old couple, Shamarao and Kamalabai. Though they were not well off, though they were not so rich, they went out of their way to help him. And without their help, he says, he does not know where he would have been today. Then his friend asks him, but why did you name the house after them? So the first time when his friend came to Ramesh's house, he sees the name plate with the name Sham Kamal and he asks him the same question. So now he says, again I'll ask the same question what I asked before. And Ramesh replies, it was my father's suggestion. And he said, there are some people who do things out of affection and not just out of duty, and they change your life with love and generosity. So he replies to his friend when his friend asks him, again I'm asking you, why did you name your house after them? Ramesh says, it was my father's idea. It was my father's suggestion. He told me that there are some people who do things out of affection and not just out of duty. Some people, they do things out of affection and not because it is their duty to do it. And they are the people who change your life with love and generosity. So here in this lesson, Shamarao and Kamalabai, they showed lot of affection and they helped Ramesh a lot. They shared meals with him and they paid fees for him. So they showed lot of affection and generosity. And now Ramesh says he wants his children also to know their origins of his success, how he came up in life. He wants his children also to know. And also he says, I want my children to know the gratitude I feel towards Shamarao and Kamalabai. How much they helped him and how he is so thankful to them. And he says, just saying thank you in words is not enough. So it should be shown through actions. And that is why he named his house Sham Kamal. It is people like Ramesh who reaffirm our faith in humanity. So people like Ramesh, they prove again and again our faith in humanity. So humanity is human nature, the love for everyone on the earth. So people like Ramesh prove again and again our faith or trust in human nature. Now children, read the lesson along with me. I don't agree with that, said Ramesh. Think of the old couple. They were not well off, but they went out of their way to help me. Without their help, I do not know where I would have been today. But why did you name the house after them? I went back to my original question. It was my father's suggestion. He said, there are some people who do things out of affection and not just out of duty, and they change your life with love and generosity. Even my children should know their origins of my success. I also want them to understand the gratitude I feel towards Shamarao and Kamalabai, not through mere words but through actions. It is people like Ramesh who reaffirm our faith in humanity. Now that you have read and understood the lesson, I will ask a few questions. Try to answer them. First question. Who suggested the name Shyam Kamal for Ramesh's house? Yes, Ramesh's father suggested the name Shyam Kamal for Ramesh's house. Second question. What did Ramesh want his children to know about him? Yes, Ramesh wanted his children to know their origins of his success. He also wanted them to understand the gratitude he felt towards Shamarao and Kamalabai, not through mere words but through actions. Now, look at the underlined words in the paragraph. The underlined words are agree, original, love, and success. Let's learn the opposites of these words. The first word is agree. Can you tell me the opposite of this word? Yes. The opposite of the word agree is disagree. The second word is original. The opposite of the word original is duplicate. The third word is love. The opposite of the word love is hate. The fourth word is success. The opposite of the word success is failure. Now, children, you have an interesting activity. Look at the picture. You can see a man holding a placard with the word out. Many colorful balloons are attached to the placard with some words written on them. Look at the words given in the balloons and join each one of them with the word out. Write the newly formed words against their meanings given. First one, money spent on something. Next, line showing the shape of something. Next one, something that exists outside the main. Next one, set of things, especially clothes, for a particular purpose. Next one, declare someone an outsider or expelled. Next one, weigh out for liquid or gas. Next one, views or perception. Next one, group of people or settlement far from the main group or settlement. Next one, outer areas or limits of a town. The last one, small building near a larger main building. Now, children, you have to join each word on the balloon with the word out and write the newly formed words against their meanings. Think and write the answers in your notebook. I hope you are ready with the answers for the activity. Let's check if your answers are correct. First one, money spent on something. The answer is outlay. Second one, line showing the shape of something. The answer is outline. Next one, something that exists outside the main. The answer is outdoor. Next one, set of things, especially clothes, for a particular purpose. The answer is outfit. Next one, declare someone an outsider or expelled. The answer is outlaw. Next one, weigh out for liquid or gas. The answer is outlet. Next one, views or perception. The answer is outlook. Next one, group of people or settlement far from the main group or settlement. The answer is outpost. Next one, outer areas or limits of a town. The answer is outskirts. Next one, small building near a larger main building. The answer is outhouse. I hope you all got the answers right. Here is your assignment, children. First main, answer the following. First question, what kind of a person was Ramesh? Second question, how can you make old people happy? Second main, frame meaningful sentences using the following words. Affection, success. Third main, substitute the sentences with one word using the words given in brackets. The words are surname, generosity, anecdote, pauper. First question, short account of an amusing or interesting event. Second one who has no money. Third one, name shared by all members of the family. Next one, a quality that means greatness of heart. Answer all the questions in your notebook. We will discuss the answers in the next class. Thank you.